Alright, so had to spare a couple of days with no plans, so I thought fuck it, might as well hike up a mountain. So I'm at Cathedral Range, it's like a 2-hour drive from where I'm from, and yeah, I'm camping at Cook's Mill Campground, which is a paid campground. But yeah, heaps of hikes to do around here and heaps of cool shit to see. So yeah, pretty keen for the morning, let's go. Alright, it's 9:30 in the morning, it's supposed to be a good day. It's time to hike up this fucking mountain, let's go. Okay, so I'm finally hiking. I'm heading up Neds Gully track where I should hit Cathedral Peak track. So pretty keen. I'm also filming on the GoPro 10, finally upgraded, so pretty keen to see what the quality's like. Let's go. Alright, just thought I'd stop here and get some shots of this mountain behind me. Looks pretty cool. Alright, so I believe the track I want is the Cathedral. Grade 4, steep, rocky and slippery. Sounds about me, let's fucking go. Fuck, check all that out. Okay, made it to the top. Definitely steep and slippery up that track. Might send a drone out and then I'm gonna keep heading up a bit more. See if I can find a high point. How cool is that? Alright, so I finally bloody made it after walking past it about a fucking K. But that's alright, I'll leave about 2 hours a trip just for fuck ups. But yeah, this is Cathedral Peak. It's pretty awesome. Just gonna send the drone out and then yeah, fuck around here for a couple hours. Hope you like the shots. Okay, so that's the Cathedral Ranges trip. Done and dusted. It's definitely got heaps to do. Highly recommend it. But yeah, hope you enjoyed the video. I'll see you in the next one. Alright, so the GoPro 10 is awesome. Still got like 60% battery and I've done a fucking shitload of filming. So pretty happy with it. Just gotta see what it's like in editing, but yeah, definitely recommend the GoPro 10.